Our parts are traceable at the part level. Our main competitors usually only identify the batch in which a part was produced, not the part itself. MOOG link stabilizers receive a serial number, but only once they have passed all the various assembly tests, as well as the torque test. 100% of MOOG parts are torque tested. Using our serial number, we can trace back the production and torque test parameters used to perform the part assembly.
Precise measurements are taken at all critical steps of the production line, allowing us to evaluate the quality of the produced part, both in line and on offline. The smart machines use this data to drill down to the exact production parameters required for each assembly, ensuring all part assemblies are within required tolerances.
We also use this information in our assembly process analysis and implement improvements to the production of subsequent parts.
We have worked tirelessly to perfect our processes and have now achieved 100% assembly consistency. Our approach has had a very positive impact on the warranty returns. Year to date, only about 0.04% of our parts have been returned to us under warranty.
At MOOG, the customer gets each time a 100% torque tested part in the box.
This ensures compliance with quality standards and the highest level of confidence in the reliability of our parts.
Overall, the technology innovations and quality-led systems of our European site are key factors that allow us to confidently offer a 3-year warranty for the peace of mind of end users who rely on our brand for the safety of their families.
You can find the correct MOOG part for your vehicle using the Find My Part page on www.moogparts.eu. There, you will also find the links towards our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Garage Gurus, a training and technical support program.